Good morning, welcome to another one, guys. Today, like you see, we're doing the Dunedin Causeway. We're gonna start with the shore, do some Pompano jigging, maybe do the bridge there, or just start with this section right here, search for Pompano in this first channel and go to our favorite spot, guys, farther on the pass. Do that. Targeted species is Pompano. If we don't find any, I'm gonna go by the mangroves and I'm gonna target redfish, snook, or wherever else is around there, guys. But look at this water, it's beautiful. No jet skis today, just some kayakers. So yeah, weekdays is the best to come here, nice and calm. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna find something good. Stay tuned, guys, it's gonna be a good one. Big snook, guys, big snook. Oh, big snook. I hope I didn't spook them. Got way too close. They are in between the mullets, cool. So, oh, they're in front of me now. Oh no. Oh, come on, come in my way. Yeah, they're gonna see me and they're gonna get spooked. I'm trying to spade before they cross. I have a tiny hook. I'll just leave it the same way these guys. I don't wanna waste my time. We're not anchored proper way, but hey. One was a nice one. There were like 2 or 3. One is for sure over 30. Let's see, we're gonna send these and we might do some net shrimp. Let's hope they go for this mullet. This is a big mullet, so that big one, there's no reason to say no. I have to see where they go. Since we're doing this, let's search for some net shrimp there as well. This right here. Yeah, if we hear the drag, it has to be a 30 plus inch. So, I know they're around. There's a lot of kayakers right now. Find a redfish. We're gonna do some net shrimp and switch on our goggles. We're gonna go where the mullets are and search for redfish there. On the net tree. What is it? See the trout? Nice trout. This trout. Nice. On the little corner here. Oh, that's a good sized trout. Oh, like my other line. Jesus. That might be a 20-something inch trout. Drag like that? Holy moly, we might need the net. We didn't expect that guy here. I never had that much fun with the trout, guys. Let's see what he got. Oh, yeah, that's a fat one. That's why. Jeez. Wow, that's a fat trout. We're gonna measure. Look at these guys. Look at these. 2 feet away from the kayak. Let's measure. Jesus, exactly 20, guys. Man, I have a good eye for the measurement. Nice 20-inch trout. There you have it. Beautiful. Oh man. Gator. Man, on this tiny shrimp that I have for a week is getting so old and broken, and it still catches. It still catches. See, I had to do it short. I can't even put him straight no more because all that area there is destroyed. Yeah, this guy wants to swim. Let's let him swim. Some more line. Nice. Like 2 or 3 feet of water here. I'm gonna work a little bit farther, go to our redfish spot. We're not there yet. Fish on? Oh, another nice one. What is it? Is it red or another trout? Wait, oh, that's a red. Hey, trout, redfish. We might just stick with this spot for a second. Not huge, but we found them, guys. All that old net string still. And we still have the mullet in the water in case. Yeah, boy. 20-inch trout. 17, 18-inch red. Not bad. Yeah. 17er, 18er. Perfect. Let's go. Look at these kayakers now, right? Nice. Come on, guys. Action. I'm still gonna throw this whole shrimp. He's doing so good. Careful, I have a line going that way. I have a line going that way.
We'll go behind you.
All right.
Thank you.
How are the fish treating you today?
Pretty good actually. Pretty good. Pigeon. Pigeon. We position the right way now. Put our link there. Another red. Let's see what. Oh, come on now. That's why I don't like working two lines, guys. Small red. Yeah, we found them. I'm gonna stick with this spot for a while. Then come here, you. Right on the corner. I have a lot of kayakers. They come so close, but hey, nothing we can do. We are having fun. Like I said, Pompano didn't work. This area is beautiful, holes, plenty of fish. So 3 dots, 2 in this side, 1 in that side. Look at that gorgeous, healthy redfish, guys. Is that amazing? Let's go. Can't wait for that big bite on the mullet, though. You know what's up if something goes for it. That's why I'm struggling with 2 rods. I want to get something big Snook or big red. Hey, net shrimp is working right now. Hola. Keep going with it. Look at it. Look how destroyed he is, and he's still catching. Let's go. Yeah, that mullet is just swimming around and around. Hey, much better now though. Positioned on the right way. Biting somewhere in front of us. You see the patches, the sandy patches, and you see the grass around there. That's where they usually are. And they're mixed with the mullets, like always, guys. They just love to just stick around with mullets and probably find a small one and just grab it. That's why I want this line there. Yeah, I spooked the snook. I haven't seen them no more, so usually they like this area. They come back. Ooh, jeez, jeez. Oh, come on. Go back. Pigeon. Baby red. Oh, this is fun. Man, I can see his tail is lead blue in the water. Just gorgeous. Man, oh man. It's redfish number 3, I guess. Yeah, redfish number 3. 20-inch trout. right on the corner. Boom. Hey, where's your mama, man? We're in good mood today for some half shell redfish, guys. Let's go. See if we'll find another big trout. 20 each. Yeah. I haven't had trout taking drag in a while. Ooh, this guy's getting scared. Chasing. My net stream was just sitting there and something just grabbed it. Fish on! Just like that. Redfish after redfish. Man, we're having a lot of fun. See guys? That's what I say. If the Pompano don't work, do something else. Almost dipped the reel on the water. Baby. I'll take it. Yeah. Getting smaller. Come on. Go and tell your big mama to come here. Tell her fish on is looking for you. Let's go back on the same spot. Looks like we located the school right there. Not impressed yet. We need a 20 plus inch. Chasing fish on. Just like that, guys. Oh man, this net shrimp is fire. Non-stop. Find the school, just park in there and have fun. Like fishing on the pool. Like I said, right on that school of mullet. I casted right there and boom. 2 in this side and 3 in this side. Let's go. Should be there. They just cruising with that. Look at that. They're all in front of us now. I hope no kayakers come by now and spook them. Looking for that mama redfish. Ooh, chasing. Sometimes it's the mullets, they hit your line. But not this. This is not mullet, this is redfish. Fish on! Man, this is fun. This is fun. They're bigger than his brothers and sisters. That's why I hate fishing too lines. Perfect hook set all the time. Nice. Yeah, I lost count. I'll just keep catching till I get their mama. I have to take care of this line. This line is just annoying. Come on. Before they scare that big mama, let's catch him. Jean, so close to the fire. Alright, little fella, relax. See what you did here? Tangled my line. Yeah, another baby. I have a kayak right on my price spot, man. It's alright, he's not that crazy close. You bearded school of mullets and chased. That's what you want here. Stick with them. Okay, let's go, let's go. Ready for another. Even they're smaller fun. We have to work through all the small ones, I guess, to get the big one today. Pigeon? Man, no way. Oh, that's Snook. Big trout. Oh, it's over 2 inches. It's a trout. Nice. Fishing like that? It has to be a trout. This trout is over 200, guys. A few feet away from the kayak. Nice, beautiful trout. Let's land these guys. We can drag. Much bigger than the reds. Line is right in front of me. Alright, relax. That's a fat trout. Jesus. You didn't even fit on my butt, Perfect. Oh, that's heavy. Woo! It might be 21 or 22. This is pushing. Right. Gator, guys, gator. Jesus, look at the trout, how fat it is. Look at the trout. Look at the trout, guys. That's a fatty right there. Look how fat this trout is. Let's see. Look at the measure quick. I think it's pushing 21. 20. Man, I thought this was 21. Hey, second trout, 20 incher. There you go. 2 20-inch trout, fat. I'm surprised that they're not going for the mullet. That's a 20-inch trout. For them, it's so easy to eat that big mullet. Come on. He has to go and eat this mullet. Come on. It's a big boy right there. 2 20-inch trout. So today I got 20-inch trout, but I cannot get 18, 19-inch redfish. You believe that? You believe that? Right there. Same spot. Like I said, those kayakers are farther from my casting distance, so they're kind of bringing them my way, I guess, which is pretty good. I parked close to the mangroves. Woo! I'm not gonna even move from this spot. It's such a great spot. So you move around till you find a good spot. This was right by my kayak. Nice. Same size. Relax now. You're in. Relax. I'll let you go. Yeah, same sizes. Be a giant schooler. Alright, we have these old spoons since last year. We're gonna try this. If it doesn't work, we're gonna put a new one. The gold is almost gone from this spoon, but think it should be catching still. Let's go. Now we can go farther. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Try different speed till you see what they want. They're not in a good mood for live bait, so... Oh, we got it! Right here by the kayak. First cast! Nice! I saw him coming, I thought there was mullet. They're red. Little bigger. On a golden spoon, guys. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is the biggest of the day. Right there, guys. On the gold spoon. There you have it. Well, let's put it this way. This tiny gold spoon, guys, did the trick. Usually I break one of the hooks. I think I changed the hooks and I forgot to break it. I break one of the hooks. 2 hooks is easier for you and the fish. Let's go. This is our favorite spoon to throw in this area, guys. First cast on the spoon. We get a nice red. I saw him chasing and he decided to just take it. A lot of grass is moving in. It should be okay. Just staying under the grass, above the grass and under the floating grass. Fish on. 2 casts, 2 fish. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 2 casts, 2 fish. They are just few feet away from my kayak, guys. I guess one of the kayakers thinks the one is scared of. Go on the spoon. Right there. On the golden spoon. Alright, relax. Come on the spoon, 2 for 2. Cast number 3. Let's go. Can't complain. Let's see if we got 3 for 3. 3 cast, 3 redfish. Let's go. John. Another grapper. I thought this was mullet for real because he was coming right back. Oops, flying lure. Oh yeah, that's fun. Looked like nothing wanted to touch the live bait today, guys. It was all on plastic or spoons. I guess we're a few minutes, but I guess we're gonna call it. Definitely coming back pretty soon. The pads didn't produce any pompano today, so I just went there. Wasted almost an hour and a half, not a single bite. Went back to the redfish spot and man, big schools. They were small, but they're there. So yeah, I guess this place is almost ready. Snook was there, redfish was there, trout, fat trout today. And of course come back for our pompanos. I know they're gonna be here pretty soon. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, give us a like. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.